Hello guys, welcome. In today's video, I will show you how to generate these trending AI images for free. For us to start creating this magic, I will recommend we use Microsoft Edge, okay, instead of Google Chrome, for better performance, because the AI I am about to reveal is a Microsoft product. All right, so I will launch my Microsoft Edge and I will visit this website. bing.com is already on the screen, /create. So fine, this is the interface you're gonna see. So we're just gonna create images from words with AI. That's actually what we want to do. So I will click on this join and create. Okay, I'll have to sign in into my Microsoft account. Mind you, if you don't have a Microsoft account, you need to create one then and sign in. So enter my password. Fine and good. So this is the interface. Now when you look closely here, you will see this boost. This is 15, and this boost is renewed every day. For every image you generate, one boost is being deducted from this. So if I generate one, this 15 will reduce to 14. All right, so and anytime you exhaust your boost in a day, you have the option to either buy from Microsoft, okay, or you'll be patient enough to continue your AI image generation, the next day. Okay, so this is my badge or my reward, okay, so far. Okay, now when you look towards this place, these are images other people have generated in the past. Okay, you can just look at them, and anyone you love, okay, you can as well maybe see okay, I think this is like a narration that can tell a little about the images. Okay, now for us to start generating our images, we need words, we need some text or some scripts. Okay, we need to actually describe what we are looking for. So once we put it here, just write anything. Okay, it gives us the flexibility to be creative. So just put it here and hit the create button. Okay, now I've got some okay, mind you, this script, okay, is actually called prompt. This script is called prompt. Okay, so we don't actually call it script, but you can still address it as or call it as text or words. Okay, but it is better known or addressed as prompt. So, and I have some prompts I've generated already, so I'll just go copy and paste, to show you how to generate this trending AI image of a boy, okay, that we've been seeing all over the internet. Okay, so I've copied. I will just come here and paste. Okay, I said generate a pizza style image of a chubby girl running away with a boil of rice and the father going after her with a broom in a village setting in a blur background. Fine, I think it's descriptive enough. So you hit the create button and you allow the magic to happen. Okay, while it is generating, as you can see, my boost has reduced from 15 to 14, as you can see. Fine, so you can see these images. All right, so for you to preview, just click on any one that you like. So I click on this. Okay, and you have the option to share, save, download directly into your system, okay, or customize. Let me download this, and as you can see, it's downloaded here. But if you are not okay with what you've generated, if you are not okay, you can just go back, edit your prompt. Okay, you can edit your prompt, then and have a new one. All right, maybe let me do one more time. A little boy stealing eggs from the chicken, running, chickens chasing him, and he's scared. Okay, let's see this. Let's see this. Okay, good. I think I like this. I think I like this. A little boy stealing eggs from the basket, from the chicken, okay? Running, chickens chasing him, and he is scared. Fine. So I think this gives us a perfect representation of what our prompt says. Alright, so I'm gonna save this image. Maybe let me save this one, two. Yeah, let me save this. It's an African boy. So guys, this is exactly how those images that you see trending online, going viral on the internet, are being generated. So you could just try your own, try to be creative, write anything, don't limit yourself. Okay, don't limit yourself. Yes, that is one of the benefit and the powers of AI. Okay, I know you got value in this video. Please encourage me by smashing the like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And if you have any questions or topics you would want me to cover, please drop them in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video.